Have you ever found yourself locked out of your iPhone? Well, in today's video, I'm thrilled to showcase the effectiveness of TenorShare's For You key, a robust iOS unlock tool that simplifies the process of removing your lock screen passcode if it slips your mind. Let's dive right in. Commence by launching the software on your computer and connecting your phone. Click Start on the home screen, then proceed with Next. Follow the device-specific instructions to enter recovery mode and unlock the phone without the passcode. For iPhone X or later, execute a sequence of button presses. For You key will identify your device and match it with the latest iOS firmware. Download it to your computer and initiate the removal process. Stay on a stable network and keep the phone connected throughout. After completion, set up your device as new. To recover your data, opt for Restore from iCloud or PC under the Apps and Data option. Enter your Apple ID and password, then choose a backup to continue. As the restore unfolds, all your apps and data will seamlessly return to your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!